live action How to Train Your Dragon just started filming, so here's everything we know about this remake. Now, starting with the casting, we already have couple announced. Mason Thames will be playing Hiccup, who's mostly known for the Black Phone if you have seen that, but he looks apart, so I am pretty happy with it. Well, I am mostly happy that they didn't go with some huge Hollywood name like Tom Holland. Astrid has been cast as Nico Parker, who you might have seen in The Last of Us or Dumbo, so here's the casting I am really excited about. The original voice for Stoic from animated films, Gerard Butler, is coming back for the live action. He had such a powerful voice in the animated films. I am so glad he's back. Gobber the Belt will be played by Nick Frost, and this is perfect casting, like 1-to-1. It's not only the voice of Stoic that is coming back from the animated films, the original writer and director for the animated films, Dean DeBlois, is coming back to direct live action remake. Now we don't know that they are just going to remake the first animated film or if they are going to do the entire trilogy. I mean, since it is a live action, watching Hiccup in real time would be amazing. How to Train Your Dragon live action comes out in June 2025.